Hello, my name's Griffin, and here's financial wellness for Keith Lighting's class personal health. Credit cards. So as credit cards are concerned, the average interest rate on credit cards are between 6 and 29%, which compound either monthly or yearly, depending on the credit card that you have, which can be very scary if you do not pay off your credit card debt. On average, people over the age of 18 have 4 credit cards. I know I'm 18. I don't own a credit card. Eventually I will, but as of right now, it's not needed. I'm not making any big purchases myself, so as you see, over the age of 18, have 4 credit cards, which can be very dangerous if you do not know how to use them correctly. And just around 45% of Americans do not pay their credit card bill each month. So, budgeting in the 50-30-20 rule. So, as budgeting is concerned, if let's say you're willing to buy a car, and let's say you're going to buy it with cash, you want the car value, if you're going to buy it with cash, no monthly payments or no payments. You want to be between 10 and 15 of your yearly salary when you're purchasing a vehicle. But if you're purchasing a vehicle but you're paying monthly payments, you don't want the monthly payments to be you want it to be between 10 and 15% of your monthly pay for your payments. And concerning the 50-30-20 rule, for the 50 is concerned, 50% of your salary is going towards your needs, such as your house payment, your car payment, groceries, anything that is a necessity. 30% of your salary, of your monthly salary or monthly budget, is goes to like more fun stuff that it's more for wants, such as hobbies, electronics, toys, little things that you would like here and there. And 20% of your salary is savings, so it could be any type of savings, but 20% should go towards saving, mainly for retirement. Healthy financial habits. We have three financial habits that are healthy. One is regularly set financial goals, such as increasing your net worth, increasing your net worth by a certain amount by the end of each year. Another one is form a budget and use it during your spending. Just around 30% of the United States don't have a budget. And build an emergency fund for safety. Only around 40% of Americans would be able to cover an unexpected $1,000 expense right now. And ways to improve your financial wellness. Really learn and comprehend where your money is coming from and where it's going. Have your bank account or a company automatically save money for you, so it takes it out of your bank account for you to really keep you honest, just so you don't slack off on your savings, and check your credit reports every single year. And the Works Cited page, the Financial Wellness PowerPoint by Keith Lighting in 2022, the Savology.com by Hannah Spurrier in 2021, and the ConsumerFinance.gov by Kristen Dunn in 2019. Thank you.